so today I'm going to be making a chicken dish. Chicken was £2.40. The barbecue sauce, which I needed because I didn't have any in, that was 81p. The red pepper was 59p and the onion was 20p. So I've had the chicken marinating in some barbecue seasoning. You can use any barbecue seasoning you like. And all my ingredients are from Tesco. Like I said, sometimes when you just need like one item of something instead of buying it in the packets, I find Tesco is really good because they do singular things. So first off, I'm going to get the onions and the peppers into a hot oiled pan. And a perfect accompaniment for this is rice, pasta, whatever you've got in your store cupboard. You could have bought it because my ingredients only cost £4. So in with my red pepper and onion, I'm going to add some garlic. You can use fresh if you like, or granules, totally up to you. And then I'm going to add some salt and also some pepper. Add a bit more of your barbecue seasoning or any seasoning that you want to put in, to be honest. And then add the chicken and give this a really good mix up. And guys, why not press the bell button for more savvy meal ideas? The chicken's been cooking now for about 5 minutes. I'm going to add some barbecue sauce and also some honey. I did have honey in the store, but you don't have to add honey if you don't want to. I'm just going to add like a tablespoon of honey to that as well. And give that a mix up. I'm going to turn this down to simmer for 10 minutes. And that is ready to serve up. So you could have had any veg in here, whatever you wanted to put in. I've made some rice in ours and also some pasta on little these. Yes, we all eat the same. I think it's really good to eat all the same. I mean, if you can, I know some kids don't like things, but I want to try and get Vinny to try and have a little bit of everything, you know, see whether he likes it. So just a bit on his plate. And let's give it a taste test. And those portion sizes as well are absolutely massive. £4 as well. You could have even got yourself some green beans to put in it, or if you didn't have any pasta or rice in the house, could have bought that with it and it'd still be under a £5. See, I absolutely love barbecue chicken, so that really works for me. And you know what? You could even have that on a wrap as well for your dinner. There's so many options the way that you could have this, and even maybe with some grated cheese on top. Give it a go, guys.